What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. My name's Laura, and today's video is going to be a little different than my normal videos, but I'm still going to be showing you guys how to get some stuff for completely free. And I'm really excited about this video because in order to do these deals, you guys don't even need to leave your house. You can do them from exactly where you are right now. And these deals include things like free Subway, a free Google Home, really cheap Adidas SneakerS, really good stuff guys. So before we get into these deals, don't forget to give this video a big like down below and join the club so you can do these deals with us all the time. The first deal I want to get into is how you can get a $6 credit at Subway for absolutely free. And a quick note, this is only going to work if you've never downloaded the Subway app before. So if you've downloaded the Subway app before, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to sit this one out. Now for anyone who's new to the Subway app, download the Subway app right now and start to place an order, but only enter in the store's location. You can do a spoof order if you want, but really all you need to do is enter in your store's location. Once you do this, close down the app, hang out for about 30-45 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Reopen your app and check in the My Subway My Way rewards and you'll see $6 sitting in there. So just like that, you got a free $5 footlong. This next deal is going to be on how to get a free sample of some dog food. And even if you don't have a dog, I think you should be doing this deal and just donating your sample to your local animal shelter because they will be so thankful and you'll be doing a good deed, so it's a win-win. Anyways, this is going to be for a free sample of dog food from Petcurean. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but to do this deal, click the link that I have down below and click the Get My Terra Pack button. Then enter in your email and click the Get Coupon. Within about 5 or 10 minutes, this is going to email you a coupon for some free Petcurean dog food. For our next item on our list, I want to show you guys how you can pick up a free sheet mask from Peach and Lily. To do this, just click the link that I have in the description box and follow the instructions. This link is going to bring you to the Peach and Lily website, and they're just going to ask you to make sure you're following them on Instagram, to enter your phone number and your address, all that jazz, and then they will ship you a sheet mask for absolutely free right to your house or whatever address you give them. Moving right along, the next item that we're going to pick up is a free sample of some Rituals hand lotion. So right now, if you join their emailing list, you get to choose one of their products which you want a sample of, and they will send this to you for absolutely free. And I have the link down below that will bring you to where you need to go to sign up for their email list. So that's another quick and easy freebie which you guys can all do from where you are right now. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is on some free ice cream. And not just ice cream, some free Ben&jerrys ice cream. So if you didn't know, November 1st is World Vegan Day, and Ben&jerrys is going to be celebrating this by giving away a free scoop of non-dairy ice cream between 4 and 8 p.m. So if you guys like ice cream on November 1st, definitely get yourself over to Ben&jerrys for some free ice cream. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys is at Taco Bell. And on October 30th, you can pick up a free Doritos Los Tacos at any Taco Bell. I don't know about you guys, but I love the Doritos nachos, so I will definitely be going to Taco Bell on October 30th for my free taco. And I hope you guys do too. Now I want to show you guys how you can pick up a free Google Mini Home. To do this, all you need to do is sign up for Spotify Premium. If you already have Spotify Premium, I'm sorry you're going to have to skip this one, but if you don't have Spotify Premium, right now if you sign up, they will send you a Google Mini Home for completely free. So you guys can sign up for Premium Spotify, get your Google Mini Home, and then cancel your Spotify and keep your Google Mini Home. Whatever you guys decide to do, I think this is a really great deal going on, and I wanted to share it with everybody. The last deal I want to share with everybody is going to be on some Adidas sneakers. Now, Adidas is having a sale today, October 24th, where you're able to pick up a pair of Adidas sneakers for as low as $19.99. This is a great price for Adidas sneakers. And if you guys have a friend or a family member that you need to get a Christmas gift for, I would definitely suggest picking up a pair of these sneakers for them because they're only going to be $20. They're name brand and everybody can always use a new pair of sneakers. So if anyone is interested in picking up some Adidas sneakers for just $19.99, I had that link down below too. Even if you only like Adidas Slides, I got a deal for you where you can pick up your Adidas Slides for just $9.99. Again, that link is down below, so be sure to check that out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Those are all the deals that I had to share with you in this video. And I would like to let you know that none of the links that I share in my description box are affiliate links, so I will get nothing if you click on them. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.